Today, we're diving into a project that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners building a raised garden bed.
Whether you have limited space, poor soil quality, or just want to elevate your gardening game, a raised garden bed is the way to go. The first step in building a raised garden bed is planning.
Consider the location, size, and materials you'll be using. Are you going for a small herb garden or a larger vegetable plot? Make sure to choose materials that are rot resistant, especially if you want your raised bed to last for several seasons.
You can find most of these items at your local garden center or hardware store. Measure and cut the lumber to your desired dimensions.
A common size for a raised bed is 4 by 8 feet, but feel free to customize based on your space and needs.
Use screws to secure the corners and create a sturdy frame.
This is where your raised bed starts taking shape. Now that our frame is ready, let's prep the site. Clear any grass or weeds from the area. And if you're placing your raised bed on existing soil, consider laying down weed fabric to prevent unwanted growth.
Create a nutrient-rich soil mix by combining garden soil, compost, and any other amendments your plants might need. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, planting time.
Arrange your plants according to their spacing recommendations, water them well, and watch your garden come to life. Your very own raised garden bed, ready to flourish.
I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide.
If you have any questions or want to share your raised bed success stories, drop them in the comments below.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips.